Namaste. It's a great privilege and pleasure inviting you into this series of profit leadership, the subject that we have been discussing in many different forums in the recent past. So, the idea of profit leadership came from the extension of the continuous improvement that the mankind has been mentally obsessed with. So, commencing from the industrial era, on a continual basis, the human beings are trying to figure out how we can improve our processes and products and so on. So, one aspect of this continuous improvement is connected with the understanding big picture and then trying to deep dive into specific problems in the organization. So, one school of thought is that by fixing the problem, you may be able to improve things. We don't know from where this philosophy came from, but human beings always feel that there are a lot of problems to fix in this universe. So, we go on identifying problems and fix one after the other, and then imagine that this will improve the quality of our life. So, this has become the fundamental reason that the various tools and techniques have been found out or discovered or invented, as you may think. And we wanted to apply those tools and techniques and fix those problems. So that is why we see there are lots of tools and techniques have come into existence. So it's very important to understand that the mankind is today more interested in understanding the tools and techniques rather than trying to bring about a lasting sustainable improvements in the organization. It does not mean that tools are bad, but we definitely need them to fix the problem. But more importantly, we need to figure out that what exactly we are trying to fix it and why we are trying to fix it. So if you really look at the process of learning right from childhood, so we all started from learning how to do things. For example, so when I was young, I was told that I need to drink milk. So it is something aspect of what is to be done. So you need to drink milk, that's what is to be done. And then subsequently how to drink the milk was taught to me. That means you need to have a tumbler in which you will have to sip the milk and then drink it. So the what is to be done has been explained, then how it is to be done has been explained. But why it is to be done has never been explained. So this whole process of what, how and why, all that we have learned in the academic institutions, well, covered what is to be done and how it is to be done, but why it is to be done has never been explained. In the same way, the science of tools and techniques have come into existence, that we try to learn the tools and then we learn how to apply them, but we have hardly learned why it is to be applied. So when the why part is not explained, obviously we end up in becoming a tool-holic. Like someone becoming an alcoholic, we become tool-holic. So that means we get addicted to learning the tools more and try to fix the problems. So there is a famous saying that if you have a hammer in your hand, you will keep on searching for the nails to strike it. So in the same way, the moment somebody learns the tool and he becomes mentally obsessed to go around and fix problems. So the why we are fixing problem is not very clear. Obviously, learning and applying the tools is of no use. So going forward on the topic of profit leadership, we are going to discuss what is profit leadership and why we are trying to chase these kind of results in our organization, and then we will see how these tools and techniques can be applied. Thank you very much for your patient listening, and I look forward to seeing many more such anecdotes. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless you.